HandsFree Networks offers the feature for a system administrator to perform a disk defrag without having to take remote control of a physical device. So let me show you how to do a disk defrag without taking a remote and using the HandsFree Networks server dashboard screen. So as you see here, we have Dart 19 for disk defrag execution for MS Windows 9X and ME. Now in the same way we have for NT and 2000 XP and 2003. So let me open this. As you see here, we have this defrag execution for MS Windows 9X and ME. So you can execute this for a group, a particular user, all machines, a site, or for a particular machine. You can enable or disable the start, and this to defrag you can actually mention a particular drive. By default, the /all, and maximum runtime is 120 minutes. You can actually reduce it or increase it based on the machine configuration if you wanted to. And name a process to shut down. While the disk defrag is running, you can actually mention the name of a particular process. For example, if you have an application for MS Office like Outlook, you can actually shut down this process by mentioning outlook.exe in this particular configuration parameter. Maximum number of seconds to wait for the process to close. By default it gives 30 seconds. Maximum number of dialog box to close, it's 5. And names of process to start up after the disk defrag. Again, after you shut down the outlook.exe, if you want to start up the outlook.exe again, you can actually mention the outlook.exe in here, and you can actually reboot the system after the disk defragmentation. Scheduling the disk defragmentation is pretty easy by using it here, and you can execute on demand for a group, for a site, or for a particular machine. And names of process to start up and reboot system are independent of each other. No matter if you choose enable the reboot or the process to start up here, it will still act independently. So this goes the same for NT4 and 2000 XP and Server 2003, and we have 3 different darts for it. It's 211 for XP and Server 2003, and it's 92 for NT4 and 2000. And the same way for another system maintenance dart, we call it as clean folders. Let me go to Dart 60. So clean folders is a place where you could actually clean up the folders, execute for a group, a user, for a machine, enable or disable the start, impersonation enabled, directories of files to scan. You can actually mention C:, and the name of the directory, and the file groups. So by default, the file group is a temp file. You can actually mention the delete read-only files in here, and minimum age of files to be deleted. By default it's 14 days. You can actually increase or decrease the age of the file. You could actually schedule them and run them on demand for a machine, or for a site, for a group, or for a user. So that was about the system maintenance for system defrag and clean folders.